You wanna eat lechon with your hands.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel at The Intersection, where food, travel, and arts meet. Today we are going to show you a dish that's very near to my heart since I came from Cebu. Cebu in the Philippines is just so popular for lechon. Since Cebu is a beautiful island of different beaches, and if you go to the beach on a Sunday or a Saturday, there are like lechon at the side of the street anywhere when you cross the bridge. You will know when you go to Cebu. When you don't have any food prepared, you just buy puso, you just buy lechon. Puso is like a package of rice. Without worries, you can go to the beach in a snap. Right? So we will be doing Lechon Belly today, and we will also be doing peanut sauce, and we will be using Mang Tomas sauce. Mang Tomas is a popular sauce for lechon. We will also be making vinegar sauce, which is the simplest sauce, but it's the easiest to go sauce for lechon. But for the peanut sauce, I like to make it here right now because I know it fits well with lechon. Shout out to the people of my hometown in Negros Occidental. Kamusta ka mo dira sa Negros, sa Iloilo, and to all the Ilonggo regions in the Philippines, kamusta ka mo? I hope that after this video, you could recreate the flavors of Cebu in your own homes. So thank you so much for always watching us. For the ingredients, we have, of course, the slab of pork belly with skin on. This time we're using 1 kilogram of pork belly or 2 pounds of pork belly. Lemongrass, and also we have 12 pieces of chili. This is Asian chili, these are small ones. 2 bulbs of garlic, a bit of ginger and green onions, and also half this onion, and of course salt and pepper. For every pound of pork belly or a half kilogram of pork belly, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of rock salt, or about 10 grams of rock salt. So since we're using 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of pork belly, we are going to use 2 tablespoons of rock salt. All right, let's marinate the pork with salt and pepper, and then while we process our ingredients, let's let it sit. Let's set this aside while we prepare our other spices. Okay, let's slice all our ingredients. First is the shallots. Green onions. This part of the green onion for peanut sauce. Then the peppers. This is going to be really spicy lechon belly, but that's good because that will take away all the gamey smell of the lechon. And then the garlic. Just chop it coarsely. I'm going to pound them so all the flavors will come out. Just a little bit of pounding. Here, we will wrap this like a log, like that. We're going to put all our filling there. We have lots of filling. on the belly.
Use some twine, ladies and gentlemen. Kitchen twine.
And then we'll wrap the two edges of the meat so we could set the form first. Rub the skin with soy sauce so it will have its color. One time when we visited San Remigio sa north of Cebu, we visited a friend, and it's actually my aunt's friend, and we just tag along as kids. I think we were in high school or we were in college. I saw one person preparing the lechon, and that person is rubbing something on the skin of the lechon before it's totally cooked. So he said it makes the lechon crispy, so hang on to that. Secret ingredients first is we preheated the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after we preheated it, the oven is already preheating right now. We will lower the temperature to 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. It's a slow cook for the lechon. After 1 hour, we will raise the temperature to 325. After another hour, we'll raise the temperature to 425 for about 45 minutes before we do the final basting using our secret ingredients. We'll put water on our pan. This will be our catching pan. You will put all the spices in there, and then we will put this on top of it. We have this one, and then we will put the belly on top. Teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and then we'll just taste it as we go when the sauce thickens. 30 minutes. It's really good. And let this cool. So we can use this in our lechon. So we're down to the last step of our lechon belly. Let's rub this with milk. This is our secret ingredient, the milk. Specifically, the evaporated milk. And then we will return this to the oven at 450. This one will make the skin really crispy. 15 minutes at 450. The moment we're looking for. We will let this rest for around 5 minutes, then it's going to be ready. See that sound? That's the sound of a crispy lechon. Let's slice it. It's so hot. Oh, let's remove this one because this is tough to slice. Smell this one, it's really good. Oh.
Peel off that little skin, show them. Leave some for me.
Want some?
Mmm.
What is it?
It's so good. I could eat this entire thing. You know, it's missing a little something. We got these 3 sauces. The peanut sauce recipe is also in this video. Pinakurat, our all-time favorite traditional pinakurat. But my all-time favorite, Mang Tomas.
You show it?
It's great for everyone. It goes well, like really well, with any kind of meat, pork, beef, chicken. Well, maybe not chicken, but pork and beef. And for those who don't like the kick of spiciness, Mang Tomas is your sauce. But for those traditional Filipinos and for those who love that kick of spiciness, go for pinakurat. But if you're someone who's out for an adventure, you want to try something new, go for the peanut sauce, which is what I'm going to do. One more bite. I never thought that would taste so good. You know, because I usually only use the peanut sauce for like those fresh Vietnamese rolls. You know what I mean? But with this lechon, it actually is so good. But that sauce is so spicy. So maybe when you're making it, if you're not a fan of spicy, you could tone down the amount of, peppers you use. You hear this crunch? Oh, that's the best crunch ever. Actually, I have a little piece right here. This going to our pinakurat. You know, that crunch is the essence of lechon. Everyone who orders lechon in the Philippines, everyone who goes out to buy it, is always looking for that essential crunch. It's the definition of lechon. Sometimes, I'm dreaming, since I don't always get to go back to the Philippines, I always miss lechon, and all I can think of is the skin. Sometimes I dream that lechon is all skin. But I still like the inside because it's nice and moist. And it's so good. I mean, it goes so well with the skin. By the way, this was just pulled out of the oven, so the spices from the inside of it, oh, the aroma is all over the room. Since this isn't too salty, it goes really well with the sauces because the sauces add that extra salt and spicy. Mmm. Guys, thanks for watching this new video, and I hope your day goes amazing. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join us in our little family here. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and go try and make this on your own at your house. Surprise your other family members. Enjoy! Bye! Also, I forgot one little thing. You want to eat lechon with your hands. Best experience. Bye!